Make sure to like and subscribe.
Just got this in, and let's see how well it works. I forget which one I purchased. Get 9 of these balls, it looks like. Supposed to be catnip type balls. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these double-sided stick onto the wall. So you're supposed to be able to take this, stick it onto the wall like that, and the cat's supposed to go up to it and lick it and rub themselves on it. It's supposed to be a combination of, I guess, catnip and other type of So this is the information that came with it. You want to pause it and look at it. So you can zoom in, look at the questions and answers, question and answer. It tells you why certain things are. Let me move this over here, like that. And, okay. Okay. Nothing in the back at all. Nine-pack snack indoor. And again, this is everything that comes inside of it. It only comes with 3 of these, but it comes with 9 of those balls. I'm going to bring her over to see how she likes it or not. So according to the website on Amazon, the page for this actual product, it says 9-piece catnip toys, cat toys, 3 flavors, Silvervine or Silvervine, ball on wall, 360 rotable and replaceable kitten chew treat for cleaning teeth, kitty dental, lickable, snack cat mint for indoors. All right, so let me see how she feels about the actual product. We will put these away for now. And try this one out. All right, so I have my tester here. Are you ready? So this is it right here. Let me open it. It's working. How do you like it? Oh, she's rubbing against it too. That's so cool. Let me put it on the wall here temporarily. Oh no, she's rubbing against the camera now. Over here. Come enjoy your... I think it got her in the mood. She's rubbing against it. Come rub against this over here. Come rub against this here. Now she's rubbing against the camera. She never does that usually. So smelling this got her into some type of mood. So I'm definitely going to call it a win. She seemed to like it. She smelled it, licked it, and then she's just gotten very all over the place, frisky like. So I think it's a plus. Oh, she's going to definitely... She's purring. I don't know if you can hear her. Yep. She loves it. All right. She's purring, she's licking it, she's rubbing against it. Oh yeah, she's definitely, oh, this is definitely a keeper. She's loving this thing. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna stop the filming now. Bye now.
Please like and subscribe.